Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add sticker overlays to your edit in ShotCut. So in here, I've already opened the ShotCut apps and import a video to it. And to add a sticker overlay, you just need to swipe through the toolbar at the bottom until you find sticker, or here you can also click on the overlay and choose to add a sticker. So ShotCut will provide you with some options that you can freely choose to add to your video. So you can just select one. For example, I'm going to add the subscribe stickers, sample this one. Just click on a sticker and just like that it will be added to your clips. And if you want, you can also add animations to your sticker. So in here, like that, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.